Well, hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into a wonderful Tuesday. Hope you're having a great day. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. We got DB with us. We got Don. We got Dwayne. We got Hal. We got Jim B. We got John. We got Ken. We got Make the 111 Great Again. We got Matt Jolly Wally. We got Mo. We got Notional Ed. We got NS. We got Ram. We got Stacy and Steven. Got some new people in here today. That's great. Good seeing everybody. So hope you're all having a wonderful day. And the markets are rocked once again, ladies and gentlemen. I think this has to do with tariffs and all kinds of stuff. Let's see if we can get our financial juice down because I was taking a nap. Let's see what financial juice says. Let's see. Nothing in red. I always like looking at this. Let's see if there's anything in red that shows us what's going on. Aha! Bank of Canada, Trump. I don't think China will retaliate too much. I will penalize countries weakening currencies with tariffs. How about that? Trump mentions the yen when talking about tariffs on countries with weak forex. So I think this Trump, I have not talked about suspending military aid to Ukraine. How about that? So there's no room left for a deal on tariffs on Mexico and Canada. So we've got Mr. Volatility himself, Donald J. Trump, ladies and gentlemen, I think having some effect on the market. So we will deal with it, though. That's what we do. So look at this. The E-minis are the big downer today. Look at this, 1.3% down. And NASDAQ down 0.77%, though it was much worse. It had a low down here, and then it's been kind of coming back up. So VIX is all the way at 24, y'all. AD negative 286, but it is lifting. It made its low of the day at 11:30, and now it's just kind of going up a little bit. So the markets are following. Let's see if we can see what our volume profile looks like. Volume profile is okay. So we are oversold. No, actually, we're in the fair value zone again. So we expect this to be support and resistance. And it looks like it is a little bit of support right now, as we're probably going back. Is today a good day to start the TQQ portfolio? Probably, right? Because it's been down so much lately. Let's look at our friend TQQQ. I mean, if I was going to start it, it'd probably be a good day after several down days, right? So high of 91.12 and a low of what is this, 66.21 or so, and now we're at 68.5. Probably be a great time to do it. And our cost basis is at like 75 or so. So, but we knew this, right? This is not a surprise to us. We knew that this thing can go and go down quickly. So we're all in it. We're just doing it. That's what we're doing. Let's see what our friend, the linear regression, looks like on the E-minis. So here we go. Here's TQQQ. But look at this, y'all. Even though this is December of 21, I mean, it doesn't look that bad here, does it? But it certainly could get worse because here we go down and then this and then. So can you imagine getting back down here? This was at 17, y'all. Unbelievable. But this thing has definitely taken a little bit of a chunk. Let's go to E-minis and let's go to the daily chart. Day. And wow, we are falling off the side of a cliff, y'all. This is all on Mr. President Trump. So God love him, or God hate him, whatever you are. It's this is definitely part of him. I think we don't know. We don't know. Tariff. So we'll see. You know, I'm a little confused because he made these announcements yesterday that we were going to have all this business and infrastructure that's going to be built in the United States, which is really good. But at the same time, those costs of those automobiles are going to be higher because they are made in the United States, but they're going to be making them here so as to avoid the tariffs in Mexico. So that's going to mean, I think this is what the market is seeing, is this is going to result in higher prices for American and maybe, a problem with inflation in the future, right? Can you imagine if they had to raise rates to get inflation under control, y'all? That would be definitely something. So we got a lot of things going on. Our count is getting wrecked, definitely. Everything together, we're still up on the year, but our little count here is just taking it on the chin, down 900 today, down 5,300 on the day. And I know what people will say, Bobby, how come the hedges aren't working? Well, let's see. They're not designed to work on a gradual downturn. They're made to work on uh, a crash, and this definitely is not a crash. So our hedges in ES are up $148 on the day, but our TQQQ is overcoming. I wish instead of us buying TQQQ yesterday that we had bought it today. That would have been much better, right, to do that today. But let's see, TQQ itself is down 159 today. And then we've got this put at 75 that doesn't look good at all right now. Look at that. It's in the money and down $660. But we got 31 days on it. We'll see if the market recovers a little bit. It may be interesting to hear the president's speech tonight to see if more calamity comes with talks of tariffs, or if something is said that reassures the market. But certainly, I think the market is speaking that they don't like the tariffs. That's just my opinion. Y'all can, or it may be a healthy pullback that the market's needing anyway. Let's see, make the 111 great again says, I'm still trading the 111 and the hedges have allowed my buying power to remain fairly stable as my net lick is getting killed. Good. Okay. So you said you're up to 70% buying power. We're at 61%, but we don't have a lot of stuff on, y'all. We've just got 111 on now. Our naked put, I mean, look at this in micros, isn't that bad? Even with all this down, we're only down $100 on that naked put. And how are our little put debit spreads doing? That one's up $25. That one's up $39. That one's up $25. So it is providing some bit of protection. Let's see what this one's doing. This one's up $38. So the put debit spreads are doing what the put debit spreads do, but it's hard to overcome when the TQQQ goes down. Let's see how our hedge looks. And let's see here. Let's go MES and TQQQ and risk analysis. Let's bump this up to 40 and take our TQQQ from 90% down to 60% down, which we hope doesn't happen. So we got a $12,000 hedge in there in case everything falls off. You need to dial in for audio, Dwayne? What's wrong with the audio? We're almost finished. What is the meeting ID? I'm not sure where to find that. But anyway, so that's our thing for today. So I think tech is getting wrecked again. But look, we're coming back for the day. This is really good. Still got a profitable year on everything, but we're certainly down the account that we're trading here, down $5,000 on the year. That's a big, big, big meatball. But we knew it was going to be volatile. There'd be days like this. Mama said there'd be days like this. I love you all. Hope you have a great day, and I will see y'all.